Hi, today we're going to learn a new sound. Now, it's not a short sound, it's a long sound, okay? It has two letters that when they come together, they make one long sound. Are you ready? Excellent, okay. Look, this two letters. Very good. And this sound we make by being on a ship calling for attention. Okay? So you ready? We put our hands together over our mouth like this and we say, Oi! Good job. Again. Oi! Excellent. We want to get their attention on another boat. Okay, so remember, we have two letters that when they're separate, they make different sounds. But when they come together, they make one sound. Let's practice again. Ready? Oi! Excellent! Are you ready to do some spelling? Great. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Can you see? When we have this, we need some dirt, which is where we put our seeds. Do you know what that's called? It's called soil. Excellent. Repeat. Soil. Excellent job. Do you think you can spell it? Yeah? Excellent. Okay, so sound number one. Let's take a look. S. Good job. Sound number two. S. Oi. Good. The new sound. Oi. Very good. Oi. Excellent. And last sound. Oh, good. Oh, excellent job. Repeat, please. S. Oi. Oh. Good. Soil. Excellent. Some soil for planting. Well done. And now we are going to look at the second word. Can you see? Good. What's happening to the water? Good. We have to boil the water. Repeat. Boil. Excellent. What's the first sound? B. Good. Good job. Excellent. Sound number two. Oi. Good job. Oi. And sound number three. Oh. Well done. Like this. Good. Okay. Repeat, please. B. Oi. Oh. Boil. Excellent job. Are you ready to sing the song? Okay, so on the song, we're going to be talking about a ship. Okay? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. The sailors met upon the sea. Oi, 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 oi. They found some oil way down deep. Oi, oi, ships ahoy. Excellent job. Good job with your new sound today.